I finally found a treadmill that actually fits my life instead of taking over my house. Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this treadmill is helping me achieve my fitness goals. This treadmill is compact, lightweight, and super easy to move around. Feels really high end because of all the features. It has auto incline all the way up to 15%, so I can easily make my walks more challenging without touching a bunch of settings. It has programmable workouts built in and the option to customize a workout, which keeps me from getting bored. And the quick speed buttons are a major bonus because I can instantly change my pace with the press of a button. But the feature that I appreciate the most is the pause button. I know that sounds crazy, but if I need to grab a drink of water, answer a text, or help my family with something, I can pause my workout, and when I hit start again, all of my stats are still there. It just keeps me on track despite an interruption. It's easy to put the treadmill together, which is a major bonus. The instructions were very clear, so if you've been wanting an easy way to get more movement in at home, this treadmill has honestly been such a good find. And that is my point of view.